Hi folks, hope you're okay. It's good to see you. We're just going to look at an article, why are most scientists atheists if there is evidence for belief in God. Introduction. In the early 20th century, studies showed that scientists were less likely than the general population to believe in the existence of God. A survey conducted in 1969 showed that 35% of scientists did not believe that God existed. In contrast, recent survey on religious beliefs has shown that 90% of Americans believe in God and 40% attend a place of worship weekly. Is a lack of belief in God among scientists due to their higher intelligence and knowledge? A recent study was designed to look at differences in belief among scientists and other academics and what factors influence those beliefs. Elaine Eklund and Christopher Sheetal questioned 2,198 faculty members in the disciplines of physics, chemistry, biology, sociology, economics, political science and psychology from 21 elite US research universities. Overall, 75% of the professors contacted completed the survey. Among the different disciplines, disbelief in the existence of God was not correlated with any particular area of expertise. Physics, 40%. Chemistry, 26%. Biology, 41%. Overall, 37.6%. Sociology, 34%. Economics, 31%. Political science, 27%. Psychology, 33%. Overall, 31.2%. In fact, disbelief in the existence of God was nearly as high in the natural sciences as in the soft sciences. Earlier studies have shown a similar trend, with those in the social sciences regularly attending religious services less often than those in the life sciences. So it doesn't seem that the study in a particular field is associated with a disbelief in God's existence. However, several factors unrelated to areas of expertise and training did correlate with the belief in God. It was found that those scientists who were immigrants, where belief in God is lower, disbelieved in God to a greater degree than those who were born and raised in the US. In addition, the study found that scientists come disproportionately from non-religious or religiously liberal backgrounds compared to the general population, suggesting that at least some part of the difference in religiosity between scientists and the general population probably due to religious upbringing rather than scientific training or institutional pressure to be religious. Most interesting was the correlation between marital status and the number of children on religiosity. Those who were married, especially with children, attended religious services more often. Those who were cohabiting were more likely than the married scientists to believe. There is very little truth in any religion. This could be a reflection of wishful thinking. Another reason why social scientists are atheists comes from the public perception of the social science profession. Accordingly, children of liberals, atheists, secular Jews and other secularists perceive social sciences as more important issues compared with children from religious homes. Therefore, these professions have been abandoned by those brought up with religious backgrounds, leaving mostly secularists and atheists to fill those positions. Science and religion in conflict. Contrary to the claim of the new atheist, most scientists do not necessarily see religion and science as always being in conflict. Rice University sociologist Elaine Howard Eklund and co-authored studies the response of scientists at 21 elite universities, finding that only 15% thought that science and religion were always in conflict. About half expressed some form of religious affiliation. Conclusion: it is true that scientists believe in the existence of God. It is true that scientists believe less in the existence of God than the general population of the United States. However, the recent study of Eklund and Sheetal reveals that the most important factors in belief were related to upbringing and family status and not areas of expertise. The fact that social scientists, as well as those in the natural sciences, expressed nearly the same disbelief in God suggests the rejection of God's existence is not a result of knowledge in any particular area of expertise. It is likely that those who have rejected religious morality, i.e. those who were cohabiting, wanted to justify their behavior by saying that there was very little truth in any religion. The conclusion by the authors: instead, particular demographic factors such as age, marital status, and presence of children in the household seem to explain some of the religious difference among academic scientists. Most important, respondents who were raised in religious homes, especially those raised in homes where religion was important, are most likely to be religious at present. So, some myths about science and religion in conflict, and I hope that's of interest to you. I'll leave a link to the article and you can research it yourself. Thank you for listening, and always remember, don't listen to the atheist propaganda. Research and think yourself. Think about things yourself. God bless you. Thank you for listening and take care.